Roman needs to stay out of the clutches of the beast.
Another German suplex.
So agile.
And a trio of Germans to start this match.
We are setting.
Superman punch Brock's down. Superman punch Brock's down again.
And Roman Reigns is not going to stop. He's not going to wait.
I know Roman portrays a cool, calm, and collected type.
And a belly-to-belly throw, and you can hear the thud as Roman's body hit the floor.
A bone shit. But inside there's chaos.
Belly-to-belly throw, and Roman hit hard. Roman hit hard. Back into the ring, Reigns goes. Corey, we've said all along, this match is not going to be pretty. Another German suplex to Roman Reigns, this time a release.
Roman was its very first victim.
Another German suplex, I believe that's 5. Physically dominate, punish your opponent. Another belly-to-belly. It has been a suplex clinic.
Brock gets stronger as the match goes.
And this is heading in that direction with another belly-to-belly. Reigns landed high on his shoulder and just collapses in a lump outside the ring.
Roman's got to feel like he...
Now Lesnar just dragging Reigns. Corey, Reigns has been rather defenseless. Oh my God.